What's going on, YouTube Nation? This is Darth Dividend. If you guys are new to my YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. One REIT I invested in a long time ago. It's a fantastic monthly dividend stock. It it stopped giving its dividends recently because of the bug, and now it just started distributing dividends again. It's right now it's at a quarterly dividends, okay? But eventually, and I'm assuming it'll go right back to giving monthly, or I'm sorry, distributing monthly dividends again. This is a stock, you guys, I'm telling you, you need to capitalize on. Again, I'm not a financial advisor, but let's check out this stock. Let's look into it. Let's look at the fundamentals. Let's look at its stock and dividend analysis. And this is something that you might want to consider because it's so down right now. Let's go. Recently I heard some fantastic news. Obviously, I was down a lot with this stock because I got it when it was so high. But now EPR Properties declared a quarterly dividend for I can't even talk. Preferred shareholders. It's what happens when you eat so fast. You're like mumbling and stuff. So EPR Properties was one of my go-to monthly dividend stocks for a while. I was pretty much puffing my chest on here for the past few months before the bug hit about this stock, this monthly dividend stock, and how it'll get me to $1,000 to $3,000 a month on my monthly dividends. That's my goal, is to hit $1,000 to $3,000 on my monthly dividends. Now, that's going to take time, obviously. I have an M1 Finance dividend portfolio and I have an E-Trade dividend portfolio. But these bad boys are back. They're starting with the quarterly dividends, and I have a feeling they're going to come right back with their monthly dividends. So let's just read something real quick, okay? So it declared a dividend of 0.359, let's just say 36 cents a share starting on October 15th to shareholders on record on September 30th. So there's a convertible preferred shares. I mean, these guys, they're giving back their dividends, okay? This is pretty exciting for people who invested in these guys, okay? So to its preferred shareholders, this stock is starting to give out its quarterly dividends. Let's think about this real quick. So if you, invested in these guys are very focused on obviously entertainment. So they invest in entertainment properties. So with them focusing on a certain sector that got hit, I mean, look at Carnival, anything entertainment related is just taking a huge hit. So these guys are going to be back on track soon. Now, I don't want to make guarantees about, the bug, things getting better, but there's a possibility that a vaccine could be passed on October 22nd. So that means that confidence will be back. I know right now I'm reading articles about people trying to get their cruise lines going and stuff. I mean, the airlines are taking off now. You know, people are still not complacent because of the bug, but this is exciting news that these guys are coming back, okay? So people who invested in this stock, the board of trustees is now giving off their quarterly dividend to shareholders. So what that means is the confidence is coming back. They're starting to distribute their shares to people, and this is something that is down right now. Let's go over the stock history real quick and see how it's done against the S&P. I'm going to jump real quick. So before the bug hit, EPR Properties was actually killing the S&P. And even when the recession hit, it still was doing better than the S&P. The bug hit, and EPR Properties is probably going to come back on a rampage eventually. And, this is a stock that gives off a monthly dividend stock in the past. Once things get better, it'll probably start distributing monthly dividends. It declared a quarterly dividend to shareholders. So, the preferable shareholders, as you read the article, so they're starting to make a comeback. So look at this. I think I got it when it was like 70 something dollars. So at its peak, it was right at $78, $79. And I have a feeling it's gonna come back in a rampage. Let's look at its dividend history real quick. You'll see where I'm going. So over time, it has increased. If you look at, let's just say 2016, 32 cents, 2017, 34, 2018, 36, 2019, 37, 38 cents. So look at its history that it's done as a stock. That is very exciting to see how a real estate investment trust it's a very powerful stock. It's down. There's a lot of opportunities. And you saw the price per share right now. So I'm just giving you guys a wake-up call real quick. Real estate is down. The financial sector is down. You gotta capitalize on things that are down right now. Boeing's down, okay? There's a lot of stocks that give off great dividends that are down right now because of the bug. And once everything's fixed, they're gonna come back with a vengeance. So capitalize on opportunities. Look into this stock. Again, I can't, I'm not a financial advisor. Look into it. Look at its history. See what you think. Let me know what you think of this video. And let me know if you're looking at EPR Properties or if you're considering EPR Properties, because this stock's going to come back with a vengeance. And I have a feeling it's going to. So just by looking at the trends, and if this vaccine will be distributed in November, watch out. It's just going to go. So look into it, analyze it, do a stock and dividend analysis on it, and let me know what you think. Again, thank you for watching this video. And if you guys are new, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. This is Darth Dividend. I love to show you opportunities to capitalize on, and you got to let those dividends flow through you. So look at it, check it out. There's a lot of confidence going in this stock. So take care and have a good one.